The Nasdaq Composite new highs, new lows, new lows weekly in the bottom, the weekly high-low in the middle that we use to gauge divergences with price in the top window, the COMPQ Nasdaq Composite. And the divergence between the weekly high-low in the middle chart, red arrow pointed down, and the COMPQ price in the top has become more pronounced and is an official bearish divergence. It needs to get rectified by going above the high-low high here where the arrow is anchored, such as it did back here with this blue arrow. The new high, new low is above its signal line, the 39 moving average simple, but it's waffling, and I believe we'll be in for that waffling action similar to here between the 2012 and 2013 period. A lot of up and downs ahead. And the NDX Nasdaq 100 high-low daily chart shows that the 5 EMA has rolled over and is headed towards the red 10 EMA. Get under that red 10 EMA plus or minus 5 on the rock 12 in the bottom window, and that's a sell signal. And the KSTs, short-term in the top, intermediate in the middle, long-term on the bottom, shows the long-term pointed down, intermediate term pointed up, so that's canceling each other, and the short-term pointed down, so we're in for a short-term downdraft, and then more than likely a short-term updraft again, part of that waffling action for the COMPQ new high, new low weekly chart. And all three look the same. The New York high-low and the Nasdaq Composite high-low index on the daily chart, all KSTs look the same as this NDX. And the New York high-low daily chart has already had its cross under of the blue 5 EMA under the red 10 EMA, and that happened at negative 9.11 yesterday on the 29th, so that's a fail. So I don't pay much credence to any sort of downdraft being too rough to deal with in magnitude and duration. And the zombie company laden Nasdaq Composite itself is closer to the cross under of the 10 EMA in red by the blue EMA 5, so that's about to happen, and it has a good chance of happening when the rock 12 is plus or minus 5 from 0, so that will be a sell signal. We'll monitor that. Zombie companies, if I had one description, their long-term debt is larger than their market capitalization, so stay away from them as they're being jettisoned.